Hello everyone, welcome back to my online YouTube channel. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your place. So dear students, so far we have discussed about the adjectives, function of adjectives, kind of adjectives, and then we have discussed about the degrees of adjectives to compare the qualities of a noun or pronoun. Okay, of two persons or more than two persons, objects or things. All right, and today we are going to discuss about the formation of comparative and superlative forms from the basic adjective word which is given to us. Okay, so the very first rule is what? That is by adding er or est to the positive degree. Okay, so we have discussed about three forms of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. All right, so here in this list, under this heading, all degrees are positive degrees, and how we will change them into comparative and superlative, let's see. So whenever we have the words with one syllable, syllable means जिनमें एक vowel sound आ रही है, ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पे bold, ठीक है, एंड और यू कैन से जिसमें सिंपल से स्पेलिंग्स होते हैं, बहुत शॉर्ट वर्ड्स होते हैं, उनका सिंपल वे है कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में चेंज करने का. कैसे? बोल्ड जैसे वर्ड दिया है, ठीक है, वी विल सिंपली ऐड ई आर एंड ई एस टी इन दी एंड. ओके, then clever, we will add er to the clever word here, cleverer, cleverest. So I hope all of you know where we use positive degree when we are not doing any comparison, when we are just talking about a single person, place or a thing or a single object. ठीक है, किसी भी एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन की बात करें तो हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री यूज करते हैं. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर the quality of one noun with the another second noun, then we use the comparative degree. And when we compare the qualities of more than two nouns or pronouns, means more than two persons, things or objects, then we use superlative form. ठीक है, so we have discussed up to clever. Then deep, with deep we will simply add er, est, deep, deeper, deepest. Then kind, kinder, kindest and so on. In all these words we have one syllable present here, so we will simply add er and est to change it into comparative and superlative form. Then second we have by adding r and st when the positive ends in e. So here we have those words which end with letter e. E is already present. Here e was not there, so we had to add er ourselves, sorry, ठीक है, but here we have already e present here, so we will simply add r in comparative form and st in case of superlative, like large, larger, largest, brave, braver, bravest. We have simply add r and st. Okay, then here also noble, it's ending with e, we will add r, nobler, noblest. Fine, finer, finest. Able, abler, ablest. Wise, wiser, wisest. White, whiter, whitest. So in all these you can see we already have e present in the end, so we are simply adding r and st in the end. Okay, then third way is by dropping the y and adding ier and iest. So here we have few words which end with y. So what we will do when we will change it from positive to comparative, we will remove y and in place of y we are going to add ier, and in superlative form we will add iest. Okay, like happy, happier, happiest. Y is removed. In place of y, y is equal to ier and iest. Okay, so this is the way we are going to change all those words which end in y to comparative and superlative form. You can go through all these words like easy, easier, easiest, healthy, healthier, healthiest, dry, drier, driest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest, merry, merrier, merriest. So in all these you can see y is removed, IER is added, and IEST is added in superlative form. Okay. Next point number 4, in this way what happens कि जो भी letters हैं हमारे पास जो भी वर्ड्स हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट्स में एंड हो रहे हैं, तो कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें हमें कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में चेंज करते हुए वो डबल हो जाते हैं व्हाइल वी ऐड ER और EST in front of them. So let's see here. Now see, by doubling the consonant of the positive if preceded by a vowel and then adding ER or EST. Now see here, a big ends with consonant letter, but before that we have this vowel I. ठीक है, सभी में पहले vowel है. ये A, fat में A vowel है, hot में O, thin में I, sad में A, red में E, but ये vowels है और उनके साथ जो end में letter आ रहा है वो consonant है. तो जब इनसे हमें comparative और superlative में change करना है वो consonant letter जो है वो double हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now let's go through this. Big, bigger, biggest, dim, dimmer, dimmest. इन सब में देखो आप G डबल हो गई, यहाँ पे भी here also double M, EST, fat, double T, ER, double T, EST, hot, hotter, hottest, double T, ER, double T, EST, thin, thinner, thinnest, double N, and then here also double N, ER and EST we have added. Then sad, sadder, saddest, red, redder, reddest. Okay, so all these are ending in consonants, but before them vowel sound is there, so we will double them and then we will add ER and EST. Okay, then we have number 5, by adding more or less before the positive degree to form the comparative and most or least to form the superlative degree. Now so far we have learnt about the those adjectives, those words in which we are talking about one syllable sound or spellings are very simple, but here we have more than one syllables present. ठीक है, 2 or 3 syllables, and these are complex spellings. You can see beautiful, courageous, careful, difficult, splendid. We cannot write beautifuler or beautifulest. Here we cannot add ER or EST. So what we need to do when we have to change these words into comparative or superlative, we will add more or less before these words. ठीक है, तो here more or less beautiful, most or least less. लेस का जो है मीन्स लिटिल की जो कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म होती है वो लेस होती है और फिर लीस्ट होती है. सेम वे यहाँ मोर और मोस्ट हमने यूज़ किया है अगर ज़्यादा की बात करें. ठीक है, मच, मोर, मोस्ट. तो करेजियस के लिए भी हमने मोर और लेस करेजियस, मोस्ट और लीस्ट करेजियस. देन केयरफुल, मोर और लेस केयरफुल, मोस्ट और लीस्ट. इन दोनों में से कोई एक हम यूज़ करेंगे डिपेंडिंग अपॉन दी सेंटेंस. ओके. देन डिफिकल्ट, more or less difficult, most or least difficult. Splendid, more or less splendid, most or least splendid. So you need to remember that with which words we need to add more or most. और बाकी जो सिंपल वर्ड्स हैं हमारे पास, सिंपल एडजेक्टिव्स हैं जिनमें ओनली सिंगल सिलेबल यूज़ हो रहा है, सिंगल वॉल साउंड आ रही है, देयर वी ऐड ER और EST. But with some complex spellings we only add more or most या फिर less or least. Now next we have 6th number way, by using a new word by comparing irregularly. ठीक है, तो in these cases totally the word is changed. ठीक है, we can say these are irregular words here. So good और well दिया होगा तो उसका पूरा word ही different हो जाता है. good, better, best. ठीक है, सेम वे बैड और इविल का वर्स, वर्स्ट. लिटिल, लेस, लीस्ट. दिस इज द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म फॉर लेस, इज द कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म फॉर लीस्ट, एंड सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म लिटिल की क्या है, लीस्ट. ठीक है, लेस लिटिल की, सॉरी, एंड लीस्ट इसकी सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म है लिटिल की. ठीक है, मच, मोर, मोस्ट, मैनी, मोर, मोस्ट. दीज आर सेम, मच एंड मैनी. देन वी हैव फार. फार का मतलब बहुत दूर, फारदर, फारदेस्ट. ओल्ड, ओल्डर और एल्डर भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं, ओल्डेस्ट एंड एल्डेस्ट. देन इन, inner, innermost, up, upper, uppermost, out, outer, outermost, far, further, furthest. ठीक है, तो these are few adjectives which don't follow the rules, basic rules के, उनमें er और est हमें ऐड करना है. इनमें ये irregular words हैं, इनमें हम totally spellings पूरे word ही change हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो I hope it is clear to all of you that how to form the comparative and superlative form from the positive degree. Okay, so all of you can go through this chapter. With this we end this chapter here, and I will get back to you soon. Take care, bye bye, have a good day.